Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Ngopi VIP, Ngobrol Penuh Inspirasi, a podcast full of ideas and inspiration for a better future. Today, we will talk about a very important topic, a career planning for santri in VUCA era. Our special guest today is Professor Muslihati, who leads a program that helps santri prepare for their future careers. Welcome, Professor. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good, good morning.
Yeah, good
And
morning.
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, very good. And maybe I would to talk about your background first, and
Okay,
and then how you grow up, and then you why you choose this topic for your community service.
okay, thank you, Bu Kiki. Hi, everyone. This is a very interesting topic for me because when I was young, when I was in senior high school, I spent my time during 6 years in pesantren when I was a junior high school and senior high school. So because of pesantren is, I think, a specific education, organizations that usually some people says that pesantren is traditional
Okay.
educational service. So I want to help santri because there is a rules in pesantren that every single students prohibited to have smartphones and other devices related to technology because the kiai and also the munyai, I mean the pesantren leaders, avoid the santri Islamic boarding school students, to have it because
to
of
use it.
because of the bad impact, I mean, bad impact of the smartphone. And related to in terms of career plannings, I mean, because of as Bu Kiki just now explained that the topic is about FUKA.
Yes.
FUKA means volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity.
Okay.
We know because of the rapid emerging areas now in our society in terms of technology informations. So we know that our society now is the world, all of the world, I mean, characterized by rapid, unexpected, and unpredictable change in every day.
Okay.
So, uh, including in career.
Yes.
For example, we know that AI,
Yeah.
will how to say, will I mean change many jobs.
Yeah.
Will be replace human being work and jobs. And of course, the santri need to know the changing of our world, especially how to planning their future, because they have a limitation in international, I mean, information technology access. Yeah.
Okay. It's so interesting. So I think this is uh just because in the past Prof Muslihati is a santri, so you have feel that it must to santri know about this about this challenge
Yeah.
of this world
Yeah.
today, and then why is important for santri to carry their planning with in this kind of world.
Okay. Of course, FUCA will be a big challenging for the students, especially for Islamic boarding school students. As I explained just now, because they have limitation to access the, information technology and other devices. So they still need to plan their future, especially they need to explore their potential, and also they need to plan their career, their future studies. And we are from guidance and counseling department need to help them with a specific approach, of course, uh, because of santri is growth with Islamic virtues, Islamic values. So I try to combine between career planning steps based on the theory of career and also Islamic virtues and Islamic values. So they can plan their future based on the combine of two kind of not just theory but also the virtues. So I think uh, we can help. They also can plan their future well.
Okay, very interesting, Prof. Muslihati. So we know that they have a limitation of devices they use in pesantren because the maybe about the that's bad things for santri, but we and now we talk about the ideas and stereotype that people often have to santri and their career opportunities today. Maybe santri is always maybe in the future to be a ustad or
Okay.
ustazah,
Okay, yeah.
or maybe as a teacher in madrasah, or
Yeah.
just about that the job and career opportunity for santri, Prof. Muslihati.
Okay, yeah. Because now there are many pesantren that how to say adjust with national curriculum,
Yes.
not just salaf curriculum. I mean traditional curriculum. They grow or they develop itself themselves. I mean they also absorb. I mean adjust from national curriculum. So of course after graduating from so they uh, in pesantren available junior high school and then senior high school, even university. So we want to give them some knowledge and also preparation how to choose the best next study. I mean, the next future study in university, or maybe they want to get some continuing their study with another choices. So we want to give them how to choose the best choice of career choice. I mean the further study choice best that related that suitable with their potential. Yeah.
Okay, so it not about just to be a ustad or
Yeah. Yeah.
ustazah,
They can
but
be many
many
professionals.
professional
Yeah.
opportunity that
Yeah.
maybe you and then maybe you talk about the treatment is using um, guidance and counseling theory, and then but also you use the
Islamic virtues.
yes,
Yeah.
it's interesting. But do you use uh, any treatment or maybe activities specifically, or maybe tools that you use in this community service that they have done?
Okay, thank you. There's a very interesting questions. The first, we explain to them about the career and opportunities, and also the future challenges now. And after that, we give them chance to know themselves more. So uh, we try to find their hobby and also to find their potential from academic score perhaps and other achievement that have already got before. And usually they also have like the result of psychological tests. Yeah. So after that, we try to give them more knowledge about themselves, self knowledge about their potential, and after that, we try to ask them and to find some opportunities, especially for many kind of university informations through internet, of course, because even though there is a rules in pesantren that every single students is prohibited to access the smartphone or handphone, but every single school in pesantren have a library that give the chance to the students to access internet for a limited time and a limited information. So they allow to access how to say, further studies, information further studies, any kind of university, and also some choices to enter the university, how to enroll the university, of course. And that is the activities. The third one is give them a chance to, how to say, to make a future plan, career plan. Yeah, of course, every single students use, how to say, personal planning. The tools, of course, is quite traditional. We just make a paper and pencil.
Okay.
Yeah, so they make a plan A, plan B, and plan C. What kind of plan E, like continuing study to university, what kind of university, what kind of department of subjects study, and how they will get the choices from what kind of enrollment type they can join. Yeah. So plan A, plan B, plan C. And after this, after that, we try to ask them, how to say, to practice the Islamic virtues, that is Salat Istikharah,
Okay.
and then to encourage them that if they are failed in the first plan, they need to tawakal. That is the values, I mean, because this will avoid the unsatisfied condition that will give that probably will it's probably will make them disappoint to themselves, or maybe they will stress, or maybe because of they fail to get the opportunity. That all.
Okay. I think it's a bit taking time
Mm-hmm.
to santri
Mm-hmm.
career their planning.
Yeah.
Yeah. The first is they should to know who I am, and
Yeah.
then they write the
Yeah.
the plan,
The plan.
and then using the Islamic
Yeah. Virtues.
virtues.
Uh-huh.
And I think because this is a long journey
Uh-huh.
for santri, our Prof. Muslihati elaborate with the human resource
Yeah.
at the pesantren to support
Yeah.
the santri to apa ya, to
To
support
support. Yeah.
to support
The process.
the process
Yeah.
to planning the career.
Okay, of course, we are collaborate with a school counselor in every single school in pesantren, because in pesantren that become a sites of our community service have many senior high school. They have SMA, they have also Madrasah Aliyah, they have also SMK. So we of course ask every single lembaga, or mean schools, to ask the school counselor to advocate and also to give support to the students before they are have joined with the training. So there is a, how to say, preparation training first. We have an online meeting with school counselor, and then after that we explain to the school counselor that we try to choose some students, not all the students. Because in the pesantren there are 1,000 students, so we just choose some for about 60 students. Yeah, 60 students. 30 is male and 30 is female,
Okay.
because we have how to say,
For subject.
balance for the gender.
Yeah.
Yeah, gender sensitivity. Yeah. So, and after that we are explaining the plan. I mean the training planning to the ustadzah, to the
Ustadzah.
school counselor. So after that we have face-to-face training in the pesantren. Yeah, and after that we also have online like a monitoring evaluation with the ustad and ustadzah.
Okay, so the monitoring evaluation is collaborate with ustad ustazah or
Yeah.
school counselor in
Yeah.
the pesantren.
Yeah.
Okay, very interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now we because it's so, I think it's so inspiring. Yeah, can you share a story about a santri who joined the program, and maybe the santri now understand their interest and what they want in the future in their career.
Yeah, yeah, of course. I'm happy because the impact of this program, some student can successful, how to say, get opportunity to join the public university. I mean, state university, especially in all around East Java,
Okay.
through SNBP.
Oh, SN.
Yeah, SNBP. So they prepare themselves to join with how to say suitable department or suitable study subjects with their potential. They can choose the best study subject for themselves. Yeah, that is one of the impact of these programs. And there are santri that continuing their study, and also they some of santri not continuing their study, but they have a plan to make like business plan, and they increase their skills to develop a business, something like that.
Okay. Prof. Muslihati, this community service maybe just in one pesantren. What your vision about the future with this community service? I think because this is very important to not just in one pesantren,
Yeah.
but we should to spread to many other pesantren in this country.
Yeah, of course. I want to make a like imitation program.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, spread the program for all around East Java, especially, or maybe all around Indonesia.
Amin, amin.
Yeah, yeah. Because I think every single students, every single santri have opportunity to give. I mean, to have best future planning, bright future planning. I mean, bright future, of course, for their career. Yeah, even though they are in the village or maybe far away from city.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. If santri is feeling confused or worry about their future, what message would you like to share with them?
Okay. The first is knowing your potentiality. Ask the school counselor, discuss with the school counselor, and then if you have time, you can ask school counselor help to find the best, I mean, information, not just for future study, but maybe you have another planning like a business, or maybe you can take a course to enhance your skill. That's all.
Okay, thank you so much, Prof. Muslihati,
You're
for
welcome,
sharing
Bu Kiki.
today. And we hope this conversation helps santri across Indonesia feel more ready to plan their future with confidence. Thanks for today of Ngopi VIP, ngobrol penuh inspirasi. See you next time. Bye-bye.